Here's a quick demonstration on how multiple configurations work within CAMWorks 2007. Notice we have one configuration that has the milling machine. We have a milling machine going to the operations tree, and we have all of the milling, machining operations and toolpaths applied. We will now show the part before it was milled using the SOLIDWORKS configuration. If we double click on the turning blank, we see the stock and the material configuration for the lathe. When we select the CAMWorks feature tree, a dialog will pop up now and ask us some questions. SOLIDWORKS configuration has changed to turning blank. Do you want to change the CAMWorks configuration? In this case, as a default, we are prompted to copy and show copy. We do not want to copy the mill example because we want to add a new configuration to machine this part here. So we click on Add Configuration and we click OK. CAMWorks now wants to know if we want to save the configuration of the mill. Yes, we do at this time. Now we are prompted to select the machine that we would like for this new configuration. We select our lathe, then click OK. Now our current configuration is example turn. Here we have an example lathe ready to turn the part. Next we'll run AFR, generate our operations, and generate our toolpath. And we have our proper configurations. All we'd have to do now is post code for this particular machine and configuration. If we want to return to the other configuration, then we would double click on the milling machine configuration and answer a few questions. Now we're back in our milling machine configuration. You will see that the current configuration is highlighted in blue. All you'd have to do is post the code for this now. Here you have multiple machine configurations within one SOLIDWORKS file. You do not have to make one for a lathe or a mill as a separate file. More information about multiple configurations can be found in the CAMWorks online help.